Fast casual continues to evolve. With a demand for better quality food comes exceptional guilt-free treats. Menu innovations, consumer attitudes, and recipe development are all part of what creates the next big craze. The fast casual sector continues to innovate with an expansion into a unique on-the-go offerings in the sweets and treats department. With a heavy focus on handmade, 100% natural, and offering over 1 million combinations, this brand is catering to customers while providing an entertaining ordering experience. It's possibly the DNA of this artisanal popsicle shop.
Hey, welcome to Paletas Morelia. For those of you who don't know, a paleta is a Mexican-style ice cream bar. We have 16 different flavors that are handmade here in our kitchen in the back. First here, on my left-hand side, you have our fruit-based. So those are like our passion fruit, lime, strawberry, mango, pineapple. Then in the middle, we have our dairy-based selections. Those are like your more traditional ice cream, like a cookies and cream, chocolate, Reese's peanut butter, pistachio. And then all the way here on my right, we have those that have filling. So we have some that have condensed milk, Nutella, dulce de leche, and then whatever you choose, you have the option of coming over here and dipping it in one of our dips, and then rolling it in one of our toppings. I don't know that anything is recession-proof, but luckily our particular model has been pandemic-proof to a certain degree. Luckily, none of our locations had to close down during Corona or anything like that. I think it really depends on the particular model. Our model is strong in that even though we do have tables for us to sit at, we're mainly a to-go, a takeout. Our ice cream is on a stick. It encourages you to continue to walk. So other places, while the truck is pulling up to their store and they're getting something that's mass produced, everything is being done here by hand. So you can taste the love and care in the paletas as you eat them. This is our brand new creation, our Waffle Burrito. We take the waffle while it's still hot. We fold it over so that it hugs the paleta, and voila, we have our burrito. And the great thing about this is we can still dip it and top it. It's not real unless we put fire to something. So the next one we're gonna make is the s'mores, and what's special about this is we start with our paleta sandwich, where we wrap it in marshmallow. Oh, this is probably the most Instagrammable thing that we do here. Everyone likes to videotape this. Now comes the fun part, where we try not to burn the store down. Then we top it off with some graham cracker. A little more chocolate drizzle. And there you have it. One s'mores. So we're gonna put together a key lime pie paleta. We'll start off, of course, with our lime flavored. So like any key lime pie, we're gonna dip it in cookie butter and then do that graham cracker crust. This one will finish with a little white chocolate drizzle. When a customer buys a paleta here, there's a couple different feelings we want them to have. Obviously, we want them to be happy because they're eating ice cream, and there really shouldn't be any other emotion besides being happy when you're enjoying our treat. We also want them to be curious about what the other combinations are and what maybe it would have tasted like if they tried a different dip or a different topping, and then excited to be able to come back and try out that new combination.